In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your slow download speeds on Epic Games. So if you're trying to download a new game or trying to update a current game and it's very slow, there are a few tips and tricks I can show you right now which should help fix the slowness and potentially increase the speeds. Don't worry, I've seen how slow it is, I've been there, it's very annoying. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Just be sure to subscribe and leave a like if this actually works. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Epic Games launcher. Go up to your logo on the top right here and go click on settings. When you're here, scroll down until you see download and installs and click on go to download settings. And then a new window should pop up. What you want to do is go down until you see download speed. And then there'll be an option to limit the download speed. Just check that option and leave it at 0. You then want to go back and try updating or downloading the game to see if this actually did a change. If it didn't do a change, go back here and change everything to the max, which is 10,000. Once you change everything to 10,000, try it again. This should work, and if it doesn't work, keep watching. So again, if this doesn't work, what you want to do is just close out of this, then close out of Epic Games entirely, and you want to fully close out of it by going down here, right clicking Epic Games and clicking exit. That will fully close the game. What you want to do is type WR on your keyboard, and then search up %, local app data %, click OK. When you're here, scroll down until you see Epic Games Launcher, which should be up here. Double click on that. When you're here, double click on saved. And then if you see, first of all, if you see any folder that says any cache folder, like here, web cache 443, just click here to delete it. You definitely do not need that. It's just cache in the background. What we want is a clean Epic Games folder. The next thing you want to do is type up CMD for command prompt and press enter. What we want to do is change your server settings to the either Google or Cloudflare, and we use a command prompt to see which one's the fastest. So I'll show you how to see if the fastest. What you want to do, so there's 2 different ping addresses to do for the Google. Just search up ping 8.8.8.8. That's Google's. Hit enter, and then at the end it'll give you the ping. As you can see, for me it was 9. And then for Cloudflare, which is another server, search up ping 1.1.1.1. As you can see, Cloudflare is also really good at 11 milliseconds, but the Google one just beats it by 2, so I'm going to be manually adding it as a Google one. So to do that, search settings, click on network and internet connection, go to view advanced network settings. Now click on your Wi-Fi, which is right here. If you're using Ethernet, click on the Ethernet one. There should be a drop down, and then there should be an edit for more adapter options. Click on the edit, and then a new window should pop up right here. You first want to make sure the IP4V TCP/IPv4 box is ticked. What you can also do is uncheck all of these, even the IP6, but that's just optional. I'm not going to do that. You can try it out and see if it works. If it doesn't work, go back and turn it on. But anyways, select the IPv4, click on properties, click on user following address, and then change it from here. Now for the preferred DNS server, you do your 1.1.1 or your 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, if you're doing 1.1.1, make sure it's 1.0.0.1. Now I'm going to change this to 8.8.8, and for the alternate, make sure it's 8.8.4.4. Just make sure those 2 combinations are exactly like it is on screen. And from here, press OK and close out of that. Now additionally, on top of that, you can flush your DNS servers. To do this, go back to CMD, type ipconfig/flush DNS to improve your connection to the servers. Press enter, and then you'll get rid of all that other cache as well. Now second last trick, search up Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. You should bring up the task manager. If not, just right click on the taskbar and click on task manager. When you're here, find details, which should be here. It'll give you a bunch of random stuff. Find Epic Games Launcher. If it's not here, make sure you open the app, because I remember earlier in the tutorial I told you to exit the app. Just open that back up, and then you should be here. And just find the one with the actual logo on it, Epic Games Launcher.exe. What you want to do is right click on that, click on set priority, and then click either high or above normal. This way your computer resources will be more allocated to this specific app when you're trying to update or download anything, potentially increasing the download speeds. And now the last option, I don't know if it'll work with everybody, but so just uninstall the app and then reinstall it. This will re-download all the files and everything, and then have a fresh setup for the Epic Games launcher. To do that, go to Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, search up Epic. Just uninstall this Epic Games launcher here, and then reinstall it by downloading online, and just hope that will fix the issue. But yeah, that's all the strategies there is to fix your update speeds and your download speeds on Epic Games Launcher. If this video did help, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. If this video did not help, comment down any issues. I'll try and get to all of you as quick as possible. And yeah, see you on the next video.